Attention, citizens of Earth. We are the Viatorums. We have traveled a long way and will be colonizing the planet TOI 700D in a nearby solar system to your own. Our supply of seeds has been destroyed due to cosmic radiation. The rocky planet has an atmosphere similar to Earth. We require seeds for a warm climate with plenty of sunlight and periodic rain. We need the appropriate vegetable and fruit seeds in order to survive. Give us these seeds and we will give you a special growing accelerator ray gun that makes vegetation grow 100 times faster. Fail in giving us the appropriate seeds and we will instead colonize your planet. You decide. Choose wisely, Earthlings.